Today we're making butter from scratch, or homemade butter. Well, I'm really interested to see how it all comes together, so let's make it together. Guess what you need? One ingredient: heavy cream if you're in America, or pure cream if you're in Australia. So I've got my food processor here. I've got a strainer and a bowl for later because it's gonna separate in our food processor. So apparently it's really easy, but we're gonna be the judges of that, right? Okay, so let's make it together. Let's see how it goes. So got my food processor here, and I have the blade locked in. That one. Back in we go. Lid on, because safety first. There we go. Now we're meant to blend on high for about 10 minutes or until it starts to separate. So let's see how we go. I might just do it on, add a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with it, but I'm just gonna scrape down the sides so that it keeps whipping all of it. So at the moment, I'll show you what it looks like. This is where we're currently at. Okay, it's been going for a couple minutes, but I could just see the consistency starting to change a lot. So I wanted to have a sneak peek what it looks like. Now, I don't know about you, but we go through a lot of butter in our house. So this is going to be amazing to have if I can make my own butter. I literally run out of butter all the time. I'm trying to step away from using seed oils and use more homemade natural ingredients. Still don't have a lot of separation between liquid yet and the solids, so I'm gonna keep whipping. If you want this to be salted butter, all you need to do is add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you want to add other flavorings, like maybe some Italian herbs, again, 1/4 teaspoon of whatever seasoning flavors would you want. I'm just gonna go with natural unsalted because I can always add those different things later. Okay, to continue whipping. Okay, I can see a lot of liquid starting to form now. It's looking very cheesy. Oop, there you go. I'm just gonna scrape this down again, scrape down the sides. I want this to all get processed. There we go. Lovely. And I'm gonna go for a little bit longer on the processing of it. Oh, look, I can see it already starting to come together. How good does this look already? Got distracted. A little bit longer, but the liquid in here, that will become our buttermilk, and the solids will become our butter. Oh, get this off as well. Nobody's wasting good butter around here. All right, back on. A few more minutes. Okay, turn it off at the wall. Now, I haven't timed this exactly, but I think that was about 10 minutes. And before, it was starting to come together really well anyway. So here we go. Now we're meant to strain it into here. Separate it out and pull up this. Get out the blade. Be careful because it's sharp. It's a little bit messy, but it's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna take this out too. Okay, so you could either strain this with a strainer like what I'm doing, or with a cheesecloth. So literally straight in here. And then I'm just going to scoop out the rest. This truly feels like a bit of a life hack. Like, I am surprised that you can get something so delicious so easily. Here we go. And I'm just gonna press down, get all the liquid out. Just gonna fold it and press, fold it and press. Look at this, I'm really excited. I am stoked. Fold it and press. Okay, I think we're good. All right, this can just sit here for a minute. while I go get a cute little jar or something to put it in. Okay, this is perfect size. Okay, keep this buttermilk. There we have it. Homemade butter. Gonna have to make a piece of toast and lather it. Let's put it to the test. I have my sourdough. We're ready to put this butter on it. I had to do that because I know you like it. Okay, back to it. Let's try this out. It looks so good. Oh boy. Oh boy. Really is hard to beat a piece of toast just lathered in butter. Now I got some of this fancy Himalayan sea salt here. So this is what you can add at a later point if you haven't salted it already. I think I just need a little bit more. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. All the receptors in my brain are going crazy. I don't think once I show my husband this, I'm not going to be allowed to buy normal butter again. It is so bloody good. Dearie me. I don't get how something so simple can be so amazing, but I am not mad about it. This is such an easy way to make butter. I'm so glad we did it. Try it at home, try it for yourself. It's not scary at all. Put it in a blender, food processor, or a mix master, whatever you've got, do it. Thank you guys for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope that you love this video. If there's anything that you want to learn how to make in the kitchen, make sure you drop me a comment and let me know. Thanks for being here. If you do like this video, please make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell because I have new videos coming out all the time. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.